Welcome back to the greatest channel on YouTube. I am, of course, Ferrari King, and in this video I'm just going to discuss a little something very few people have a problem with. I do, not many others, and it's probably one of the reasons, besides the fact that my channel is not all that great. I get it, but this is another thing that's going to make sure that my channel does not grow. Not all of my playlist shows on all devices. Now you look here, here's all my playlists. It shows up on a computer, every one of them. Every last one. However, if you're watching this on some what you call it, cell phones, like the cell phone I'm using to record this, you won't see it. What you will see is this playlist right here, my playlist by an unfunny moron, which I did, and I have these grouped in there, which is okay. But the problem is, though, I can't get these up here to show up. These will not show up on all devices, which is, of course, going to make it impossible for this channel to grow, because I mainly do gameplay. And let's face it, without these showing up, I'm pretty much screwed. Thank you, YouTube. I have emailed YouTube about this. They have not sent me anything back yet, and I doubt they ever will. It's a YouTube glitch, and also there are people who have been telling them about this since 2014. If they haven't fixed it yet, they're definitely not going to fix my problem. And obviously, I am going to be that one channel that gets screwed over. That's just something going to happen. Sorry about that. Just trying to make sure I'm not putting my hand on a button I shouldn't have. But, this is something that I always have to deal with. I always get screwed over. It's always what's going to happen. It'd be nice if YouTube would fix this. I know they won't. I know they won't fix this for all my videos, show up. It would be nice if they would. I know they won't. I know how YouTube works. I think we all know how YouTube works. When it comes to small channels, they don't care. Now, of course, if I was PewDiePie, or had a million subscribers, or had a lot of subscribers, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, I mean, well, not hundreds, but tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or if I was Jimmy Kimmel or some celebrity, my channel would have been fixed in no time. Thank you, YouTube. I'm glad. It's nice to see that you don't care about small channels. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and watch my other videos. Don't forget, if you want to watch my gameplay videos, they'll show up on a computer, a regular computer, laptop. They should show up on a tablet. I haven't tested that. They may show up on some cell phones. As far as I know of, I might be wrong, but it's mainly like Samsung. It might show up on an Apple cell phone, I don't know. But this was a Samsung J3, whatever, whatchamacallit, and it doesn't show up. And of course, here you see in my subscriptions, Alpha Wolf. That's my brother. Check out his channel. All his playlists show up. His videos are, of course, going to be better than mine are, but yeah, make sure you subscribe to him too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to check out the description for a link to my website where I sell ebooks for 99 cents. Please help somebody like me out. I really do need the help. Sorry about that, but if you watch my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching. Bye.